Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to log into your Duo mobile. Now if you want to log into your Duo mobile app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to log into your Duo mobile app, make sure that you have installed the Duo mobile app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you may simply open the Duo mobile app on your device and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on your device. So this is the home page of Duo mobile, where you'll see the option of continue, which is highlighted on blue. So you may click on the option of continue, and here you'll see the option of use a QR or use activation code. So you may choose the option which you think is good for you. So I'll simply use the activation code option. From here you need to click on the option from where you want to log in. So let's say if I want to log in from Amazon, I'll click on the option of Amazon, and from there you need to go to the settings and then turn on two-factor authentication, and from there you need to use the activation code provided over here. You may also use the QR by clicking on the option of use QR code. Now it says Duo mobile would like to access the camera, so click on the option of allow, and from here you may simply scan the QR code like this, and you may log into your Duo mobile account using the various thing which you are using. So that's it. That's how you can log into your Duo mobile app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.